In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cumulative volume delta indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Cumulative volume delta is a powerful tool that helps you see the difference between buying and selling pressure over time. It can give you a clearer picture of whether buyers or sellers are really in control, beyond what you see in just the price candles. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add it to your TradingView Pro chart in just a few clicks. First, open up your TradingView chart for any market you're analyzing. At the top of the screen, you'll see the toolbar that runs across your chart. Look for the button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and any custom scripts you've saved will live. Inside this window, you'll notice several categories down the left side. To keep things organized, TradingView groups similar indicators together. You want to go to the section labeled Technical. Click on that to make sure you're browsing the standard technical indicators rather than community scripts or other categories you may not need right now. Once you're in the technical section, move your attention to the search bar at the top of that indicators window. This is the fastest way to find what you need instead of scrolling through a long list. Click inside the search field so your cursor is active there. Now type in Cumulative Volume Delta. As you start typing, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators to match your search. When you see Cumulative Volume Delta appear in the results, simply click on it. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added to your chart, usually in a separate pane below your price candles. Take a moment to confirm it's there and that it's updating as your chart moves. From here, you can customize how it looks by hovering over the indicator name and opening its settings. You might want to adjust colors, line thickness, or scale, so it's easy to read alongside your existing setup. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more indicators on your chart at the same time, or you want a smoother experience with fewer limitations, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll be set up properly to use Cumulative Volume Delta and other advanced tools in your day-to-day trading.